Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we are going to do this quick unboxing for this DJI Avata 360. We bought this for 5 more combo with RC2. So just arrived today from Malaysia. We are going to do a quick unboxing. So all the details inside the package come with aircraft, 3 battery, DJI RC2, shoulder bag, USB-C cable, charging hub, a spare propellers, and this foldable landing pack, screwdriver, lens cleaning cloth, user manual. So we are going to unbox it. So this is the package come with. So got plastic. Okay, so remove the plastic. So check out this shoulder bag. Okay, so this inside the bag, the arrangement very clear. So inside the zip do have some user manual and sticker. We'll take out all the component out first. So this is a RC2. Another box should be a battery. So this is the landing pack, and this is the aircraft itself. So that's it inside the pack. So the pack is quite nice actually. So we put on the side first. Then so check out this. Yeah, this is a 3 battery inside the box with a battery charging hub. Okay. We'll do a charge later on. So this is a landing pad. So extra propellers, got 2 pair, 2 for A and 2 for B. So this is a USB cable, and then the lens cleaning cloth. screwdriver tools to release the propellers, and then we go for this aircraft. Oh, very light, not that heavy actually. So now the propellers is a bit different. The build quality, okay, should be fine. This is teach you how to open up the 360 camera. Just pull out like that. So this is the camera, 360 camera. RC2. So this is a joystick. Very comfortable to hold. So not yet activate. I have to charge, then go to do activation, and then we will go for test flight. So this video is just a quick unboxing to show you what is the package inside this 5-mod combo with RC2. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next upcoming video to do a test flight.